We'll guide you through how to create slow motion in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and import your video clip into the media pool. Once that's done, drag your clip onto the timeline in the Edit page. To create slow motion, select the clip in the timeline and right-click on it. Choose Change Clip Speed from the drop-down menu. A window will pop up where you can adjust the speed percentage. If you want to slow the clip down, reduce the speed percentage below 100. For example, setting it to 50 will slow your video down to half speed. Make sure to check the box that says Ripple Sequence if you want the timeline to automatically adjust to the new clip length. After adjusting the speed, click Change to apply the changes. Now, your clip will play in slow motion. For smoother slow motion, you can enable optical flow. To do this, go to the inspector panel on the right side, scroll down to the R-time and scaling section, and set the R-time process to optical flow. This option will provide smoother transitions between frames, making your slow motion look professional. You can preview your changes by playing back the timeline. If the playback is choppy, try rendering the clip by going to the Deliver page and exporting it to see the final result. And that's it. You've successfully created slow motion in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.